Hey guys, this is my first YouTube video ever, so welcome to my channel. Today is just going to be a basic beauty haul with BH Cosmetics using my top 4 items that I absolutely love. So let me know what you think below and make sure that you follow and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to talk about the Zodiac palette first. This is one of my staples in my go-to smoky eye or shimmer eye. And this is one of my favorites just because they give you matte colors to choose from, they give you the shimmer colors, and then they give you a highlighter in the center, which is even better because then you can highlight your cheekbones. So I'm not going to open up my palette today because my eyeshadows are a little bit crushed and crumbled because this was dropped, but I still use it because it's one of my favorite palettes. So I highly recommend this one. It doesn't have anything to do with the Zodiac, but it is great to use because the eyeshadows are super pigmented. It only takes a little bit and it's perfect for that shimmery eye or for that smoky eye that you're going for. The next one that I'm going to talk about is the first edition 120 color eyeshadow palette. And the cool thing about this one is that it's 2-tier. So the top tier is all of your neon colors. So you have your reds, your greens, your blues, you have some yellows and oranges. And what's cool about this is that it has a second tier. So the bottom tier has all of your purples, pinks, has some more blue colors. Then it also has your grays, your blacks. It has your browns and some nude colors as well. So what's nice is that it gives you the opportunity to not only do a smoky eye or a really dramatic eye, but you can also do your very nude, basic eye. The other thing is the BH Studio Pro Pressed Powder in shade 205. This is one of my favorite things to use after I've put on foundation. It's great for setting your foundation and really giving the perfect matte finish look, making your skin look poreless and flawless. And this one is actually an ivory color. I have used this one already, so you're going to be able to tell that it's kind of worn down, but I just wanted to show what the color is like. And then it's nice because it's a compact. So in the bottom they give you your little sponge to use, and then at the top you have your pressed powder and you have a mirror. The last thing that I'm going to talk about is the Spotlight Highlight 6 color palette from BH Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite highlighting palettes to use because it's super pigmented, gives you 6 color options. So this is what it looks like. And all of these colors are pigmented. So what I'm going to do is do a little swatch for you guys so you can see what it looks like when it's actually on skin. So this is it on the tip of my finger, and you can tell just by looking at it that it is very pigmented. It's super easy to see, super visible. So I already have some of it on my cheekbones, but I'm going to brush on just a little more so you can fully see it being applied. So that's what it looks like. And the other colors are pigmented as well. There's that really pretty bronze color, the darker bronze. So these are honestly a staple that I love to use in my everyday looks. I highly recommend them. They're really inexpensive. Honestly, all of BH Cosmetics items are pretty inexpensive. Alright, so that's it for my first YouTube video ever and for the beauty haul for BH Cosmetics. I think next I'm going to do a tutorial in about a week, either a hair or a makeup tutorial. So if you have any ideas, if there's something that you'd like to try or something that you'd like to see some shortcuts on, let me know, drop it below in the comment section, and feel free to follow and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.